Hey guys, here are the ingredients for the air fryer chicken egg rolls. You need ground chicken, garlic, ginger root, sweet onion, cabbage, olive oil, low sodium soy sauce, egg roll wrappers, and lastly, eggs. For the exact measurements, go to my YouTube channel at LilasBestEatz. Okay guys, in the first step, add the olive oil to a skillet, followed by the diced onion, garlic, and ginger. Mix well to incorporate the ingredients into the oil. Cook until soft. Add the ground chicken. Incorporate the onion. This is the end result. Add the soy sauce and cabbage. Incorporate the ingredients. This is the end result. Next, apply the egg wash to all 4 sides of the egg roll wrapper. Then add the meat mixture and begin the process of rolling the egg roll. This is the end result. Brush the egg roll with the egg wash, then place them into an air fryer safe dish. This is the end result. Preheat the air fryer, set a cook time, place them in the air fryer. Halfway through, turn them over, place them back into the air fryer. When they're done, take them out, place them onto a paper plate. This is the end result. They should be crunchy and have a golden, slightly charred exterior. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share my content. Let people know. Lila's Best Eatz is always doing it right. See you next time.